You guys have no idea how much I love anything to do with cleaning the pores, stripping blackheads. So as soon as I saw that video, I was just like, take my money. And they did happily take my money and I received the product. So the product that you saw in the video, it's called Lanbena. Sounds Italian, but it's made in China. Nothing wrong with that. And this product is a nose blends pore strips. It's this right here. In the description of the product, it says that this is supposed to dissolve the grease derivatives, repair the damaged fiber tissue, soften, loosen, and contract the blackheads within the pores, remove the coarse aging cuticle, make your skin fresh, clean, white, and smooth. White? White. I don't know how I feel about being white. I want to be canela. Okay, so now let's open this. As you can see, the product comes with the product. First impression, I like that the product comes with everything. It comes with the strips. I was like wondering, what if it didn't come with the strips and I just open it and then I have, I had to use toilet paper. I got the product at Amazon, so I am very happy that the product is sealed, which means it's new. It's new. And now that I opened the product, it smells like a really strong glue. It looks like a glue, and I think it's a glue, okay? It's white though, so I think it's glue, okay? But after seeing what I saw on 4K, I think I do need industrial glue to take out all that stuff. Did you see all that greasiness? Am I an olive oil factory or something? That was too much, and I'm hoping that once I do the after, I don't see that no more, okay? I'm just taking a look before I become white. We're gonna start application now. When it comes to how to use this product, it's pretty straightforward. Let me read it because that's the type of person I am. I follow instructions. Instruction for use. Apply a thin layer to clean nose skin, cover with paper, leave for 2 to 5 minutes, get dry, and peel away. The smell, oh. Book, it's a little notebook. They definitely went to the hardware store and made up this product. Tear this down. This is worse job than the video that I saw. The nose strips. This is the white stuff that they're talking about? The smell on this product is extremely strong. And that's bad, okay? That's bad. I can taste the glue on my throat. Yeah, that's how I feel. I feel like a bunch of kids just put a bunch of sticky notes on my face. Did I get on my eyebrow? And they're laughing at me right now. Whew, my eyebrows are fine. Let's take this off now. I feel like this is gonna hurt. Okay, let's do it. My hairs. Ow, ow, ow. I thought he was about to take off my mole. It took off some hairs. I can see hairs in there. Let's do the nose. No. presión porque I can see it better. Okay. Look at that big one right there. I produced that. Big one right there that I got, and all the hair though. I don't know why I have the feeling that I still have the strips on my face. Skin is itching like a lot, like my nose. It says that you need to rinse this with cold water for 5 minutes, so that's what I'm doing to cool off my skin because thing is getting really hot. Before I tell you what I think, let's see the before and after. You know, when I look at the before and after, I do see a difference. My pores, they look more clean, there's less hairs in that nose, which I'm happy about it. I like the fact that my skin feels very smooth. I didn't turn white, still my color. Hopefully tomorrow I'll still remain my color. But when it comes to like the overall job of this product, it's very average in my opinion. In the after, I can still see some of the blackheads that are still there. When I look at my nose pore strips, the most that I see is a bunch of hairs. Yes, there are blackheads and sebaceous filaments in there, but the majority of the stuff that I see on the strips right now is hairs. This product works, but I feel like I cannot trust them because of the ingredients and the white stuff. I don't know, it's just like iffy. It has that really strong glue smell that it remains on the skin. It took a lot of washes to take the smell out of my skin. I even felt it on the back of my throat, which is like crazy. I was just like drinking water. I should have not done that. I just like ate it. No, it doesn't turn your face white. I feel like they probably meant that it will make your skin bright and they translate it in that way. All I can tell you is that if you want to buy them, sure, go ahead, they work. You gotta just keep in mind that it's not really healthy to use nose pore strips every single week. I will just suggest you to use that every 2 weeks or whenever your skin feels very bumpy. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to share some love to me by subscribing to this channel right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll get to see you in the next video. Pura Vida. I feel like it has gotten to my throat.